Good morning, class 6. Today's topic is importance of river. As I have told you, rivers, which river, what type of river, where, when, how they are flowing. So we will know how it is important for our life and how it helps us in our daily life. Rivers, the river valleys and plains provide fertile soils and crops to grow in plenty in and around the region. Now the rivers that are flowing from river flow, they carry with it humus which are deposited on both sides of the rivers, making the soil fertile. River water is used for human and animals consumption. River provides abundant water supply to support large settlements, because we can see that many of the settlements is staying near the rivers. For example, we live near river Ganga. If you go through the map, then you will find that all the cities are situated next to river Ganga, because water is easily available for human beings and animals for their all types of requirement. Next is river provide means of transport to carry humans and goods from one place to another and thus facilitate trade. Yes, we know that it carries man from one place to another, because those who have crossed the Ganga, they have used ferry to cross it. So it is helpful for human moving from one place to another. In earlier days, as we know that factories are set up near the rivers. These rivers are used to carry raw materials from one place to another and to take away important finished goods for selling out from the factories through these rivers only. River water is an important source of energy. Also, it is used for power hydraulic plants and helps in generating electricity. It helps to grow industries, because, as I told, being near the we can see that many industries are situated near river Ganga, because to run a factory, water is required, and that requirement is fulfilled from these rivers. Next, river also provides the means of recreational activities. Yes, boating, in many places boating is done. Even nowadays tourism has been developed in water, where you can travel, take a boat and go around Ganga, enjoy it, and again return back to the side corners or the coast areas of the rivers. So this is how river have its importance. Now, pollution of water bodies. We can see that the biggest river of India, that is the Ganga, if you go to Ganga, you will see it is full of dirt. It is we people who throw away our waste materials into the river, and as we throw waste materials into the river, we pollute the river water and even the bed beneath it. Bed means under the last layer from where the ground has started, again that is called bed. Now, what is pollution? You know, anything who loses its normal capacity is known as, and dust particles, and not dust, waste particles it pour into it, it is known as pollution. So water pollution is a very major part of pollution, which occurs when harmful waste of discharged into their water bodies, like from factories, from hospitals, from the towns. It ends into Ganga, and that is it carries all the harmful water to the Ganga. So it makes the water polluted, because different water bodies are also born in it. It affects all forms of water resources, and this is which it infects all the water resources on earth: oceans, seas, rivers and lakes. Okay.